Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about one of my swing trading scanner which already available on my premium group. So last two videos we are discussing about SWT's swing scanner and one more HA swing scanner. And this is also be one of the swing scanner which available on my premium Telegram group. So here how it works and how to we use it. And last two swing scanners we are finding out in the bottom level trend reversal. Okay, so even on our SWT scanner and HA swing scanner, so we are finding a trend reversal at the bottom level. Okay, so but this particular scanner, we are expecting the breakout, the swing high breakout or breakout level, which we are going to use for a swing trading. So this is the one more scanner which I have already created and I uploaded on our premium Telegram group. So here people were asking how to use that. So I am just uploading a videos and I will be pinging that video link on the scanner itself. So it may be very useful to find out the scanners and how to use it. So let me move on to this video and I'm just taken out the back test because it is a scanner is already created and it is already uploaded on our premium group also. So these are all the results where I was finding out the stocks which were given me the result based on this particular scanner. So among almost 9 month results, so we have a regular stocks which I have got it from this particular scanner. But this is a different one from our previous scanners. What is the difference between that previous two scanners? We finding out the trend reverse at the lower level, and this wing scanner we are using a breakout as a entry point. So okay, so let me try to find out the swing scanner and how it is giving you some opportunities. I'm just taking a study purpose JSW Steel and 1st of April and Tata Steel Glenmark and ICHW. This is what a scanner which never give you the repaint values. Okay, so let me go for a JSW Steel and it is a one more breakout kind of thing. Okay, so let me go for finding out JSW on 1/4. So 4th of April, 1st of April, right? Yeah. So here you can look at this. This is the 1st of April. So where I find out the breakout. Okay. So this is what a candle which forms. So whenever you find out a stocks on our list, but it is not about to in the bottom. Okay. So previous scanners, what we are finding out the stocks when the market is toned down and we find a reversal swings, but it is a breakout swings where I'm just looking at and the reason swing lows or reason lows or candle lows you can decide as your stop loss. That would be a if a very small stop loss, you can keep on the candle low, or if it is a swing low or recent lows where it is taken a support, that kind of things which we can keep as a stop loss. And only high of that particular candle only we have to focus a trade opportunity on the next day. So in this case, it triggers our next day entry point. So it is a breakout scanner for a swing trade. Okay, so we are finding a breakout on this, and if I keep my stop loss below the candle, it was triggered on two times. But if I'm keeping the swing lows maybe here at the bottom, so where the stop loss will be big because it's a swing one. Okay, and also breakout, we find out entry at a higher level. 880 is our entry point nearby 760 or 780, almost 120 point risk. If the risk is big, you can avoid that trades. But this is what a stock we find out at the breakout point, and still it isn't moving higher. So here, this kind of scanners is not for an intraday or a short term. It is a positional one, long term only. Okay, so and one more stock which we find out is about a Tata Steel on the same date, and most of the stocks which given you the entry at a higher level. Here is the 1st of April, the breakout point is 163 and maybe the swing low is somewhere around 138. Now the stock moves up to 184. Meanwhile, it came down to 148. There is another opportunity where we can find out the opportunity at a lower level. Okay, ICICI probably Glenmark on the same day where I'm just 1st of April. Here is the breakout, but in this stock, you can look at this. That particular one had not came down. Maybe I keep a stop loss below here, and that was a great move where it is nearby 1000 to almost 1200. So it is almost 3 months now. So it is a not for an intraday. If you are using this intraday as a scanner, it will not work, and it is a purely a positional and breakout kind of swing. Okay, and Glenmark, and then we find out one more stock is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. ICICI Prudential, what is an opening on 1st of April? Maybe here. March, April, here, 1st April. You can see where I got an opportunity very highest level. The next candle it's not broken, so next one is not broken, next one, so almost 3 consecutive days doesn't broke the high. So exactly what I'm looking for, the highest level on this particular stock, and the candle that breaks it is should be high. So that high should break in next 1 or 2 days, that maximum that would be a valid entry. If it is gives you the breakout opportunity after 5 days 6 days, it is we don't consider as a valid breakout. So because valid breakout is nothing about the momentum which continues with that immediate to the next day. So maximum we can wait for 2 days, and it was not given you the breakout. The high of this candle is 627, next day 626.7, and the next day 625, and next one is 625. 25 is 21 is the highest level. So after 3 consecutive days, it doesn't break the higher level. So we simply ignore this. It's not a valid trade. And randomly you can check and how it is giving you the breakout opportunities. And the next day, because we will be getting compared to our previous scanner, we get a more stocks here, but some of the stocks we do reject manually. Okay, so as I done for ICC, so BEL and sale, let me check what is happening on BEL, and that is happening on next day 2nd April. So 2nd April, and it is an opportunity March. Here is the 2nd April. So high of this particular candle is 622.65. So immediate to the next day, I am waiting for the breakout to that particular level. This time, the next day it triggers, and maybe the recent swing low maybe around 179, or even you can look at this swing is maybe around 193. So better the recent swing, you can keep as a stop loss. Maybe if I'm just looking at a breakout opportunity, breakout swing, and the low, if I'm comparing the low, maybe my stop loss is somewhere around 40 points, 20%, but 20% risk is not a small one, it is a huge one. Maybe if you are looking at here 11%, if the stop loss is suitable to you, then you can go for the trade, or else you should ignore. And meanwhile, it is went to 321, almost 100 band, almost 44%, which increased. Even if I'm just looking at 20% risk, so it is giving you 1:2 risk reward ratio. That was happening on the same day. I am finding out sale. 2nd April. So here is an opportunity and a breakout. So where 150 and it went up to 175. Now maybe the swing is still not broken. Still it is on higher than our breakout point. Sorry, it is nearby our breakout point 150. Okay, and many more of VEDL, Coromandel. So these are all the stocks which filtered by the scanner. VEDL and the 2nd April, there is a good opportunity from 300. It went up to 500, and the lower level on the lower swing is around 246. And Coromandel. Coromandel. 2nd April. Here is the breakout point. The high of that candle is 1135, and that high is broken, and this particular low we keep as a swing, and 1038 it doesn't broke the level, and it was still keep continues on 1600 level. So randomly we can check the scanners, and it will be finding out good opportunities for a position, and AB capital on the same day. 2nd April maybe this, and after the breakout, and it is still moving on higher side. Okay, even we can check the previous backtest also, and LIC on 1 January, Ashok Leyland, the new year. Okay, LIC Ashok Leyland, and 1st of January, 14th March, 6th February, 1st January. So where I'm going to take an opportunity 187, and maybe here my stop loss is triggered after long back ago, almost 3 months later, our stop loss got triggered here, but still the stock that is triggers our stop loss, still the stocks available under our scanner, the backtest result, because of it is not non-repaying. And one more stock, LIC Housing Finance. So let be on the 1st of January. Same day we got a 1st of January, we have two stocks, and 8th December, 21st December. Maybe this is the 1st of January where we have a breakout around 567, 569 levels. The recent swing is 504, and the stock is moved well and almost 756. So this is what I think. Even the stock came under two stocks under the scanner. One is around the stop loss ticket, and another one is giving you 33%. So still the scanner having worthy, and it is not repaint, and we have the condition created based on our positional breakout swing that is working for our positional trades. Okay, and randomly you can check recent stocks. but this scanner will provide you some frequently some stocks, but we have to manually filter out whether it is breaking the level or not. So last trades, which is last stock which filtered by this scanner is June 13. So HDFC Life. So let me go for HDFC Life. That may be in higher level. So we are expecting HDFC Life June 13. That next day entry trigger. Now it is in lower level. Maybe the swing low because of due to election day. It was making a huge low. And maybe this swing also we can keep 564 or this level 550. So we can keep a stop loss. And previous result we are getting two stocks on 10-6. That is Syngin and Crampton. Let me check Syngin. 10-6 maybe here, and that high is not broken after next 2 days. So this is a invalidated trade, and Crompton is the one more stock we are finding on the 10-6. Crompton here is the particular date, and the next candle which is broken 415, and now the stock was trading nearby 431, almost 15 points greater than our entry point. So this is one of the swing scanner which available on our premium group. So those who are searching for a swing, and I will update you the swing scanner along with the video how to use how to you can use this particular scanner. So it may be useful to my group member, those who are already on our premium group. And I hope you understood the concepts in the last three videos. We are talking about the swings because some people who are expecting the swing scanners, it is already available. How to use the swing scanner, so which I am creating here, and that will help you to find out trade opportunities. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing my channel to get. We are almost we are crossing 11,000 members. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.